This is a 200,000 lines of code, and I am going to show you the difference between this and a 10,000 lines of code, a 1,000 lines of code, all the way down to one line of code. You know where I got this intro from? And the cool thing about this is this one line of code is way cooler than the 10,000 lines of code, or the massive 200,000 lines of code. You will see what I mean later in the video. Let's start off with the 10 lines of code. With 10 lines of code, you get to search the internet for any presence of your name or whatever you type in here. It's up to you. I built this to track your leaked media on the internet. More on that in this video. So I want to search Swift in tmz.com. And there you go, there is a mention of Swift on the website. Yep, 10 lines of code just did that. Maybe you are not impressed yet, so let's move on to the 100 lines of code. With 100 lines of code, you can search anything relating to a channel on YouTube. I built this mini website to show you what I mean. Let's type in here, Mr. Beast. Press search channel details, and voila. You get to see everything from channel views to subscribers count to total views. All info at a click. You can see some top videos as well by switching to it. There you go, some current top videos and their total views. It is hard to choose which video is best though, because come on, all of them are superb. Let me know which Beast video is your favorite, and I may make a game out of it. Also, in truth, I had to limit it to a 100 lines of code for this video, but there are so much more you can do, and I am working on something which you will see in my coming videos. So, if 10 lines of code got us to search the internet for our leaked media, 100 lines of code made us search for anything relating to a YouTube channel. Then what will a 1,000 lines of code make us do? I did say I will make a game for the most commented Beast video, but I could not help myself but create some other games as well. We just left the realm of searching to the realm of games.
Game on, everybody, game on.
With 1,000 lines of code, you get to play some cool games we all used to play back in the days. You get the famous Snake game. I hope y'all have played this game before. Those were the days. In fact, I have a challenge for y'all. Let me just see if I can just grab this fruit. And there we go. Next game is Catch Me If You Can. Oh, let me see if I can grab that power booster. And I do, and I get caught. So here is challenge number 1. If you can make a video of yourself passing through these policemen, I will owe you a fully functional app or website of your choice. I tried, and I got caught again, and again, and again, and again, and again. So send it to me via email. You can find it in the description below or the About section of my channel. And if you were able to pass through the blocks of policemen, I will owe you an app or website. Totally up to you. We have Chicken Invaders, some Hellstones. Hellstones was a 2-player game, but unfortunately, I got ditched by my opponent who said he had better things to do than play Hellstones.
Well, you hold on, brother. You're gonna get your chance.
But Scrappy Bird got my back, and here is challenge number 2. If you can get the block or bird past 3 hoops, I owe you an app or website of your choosing. Oh, I went through one, and I died. Going again. Whoa, I did it. Then I died. I am telling you, it is impossible to go through these hoops. If you fancy, make a video going through these hoops, and I owe you a complete app or website. You can find the game link in the description below. Let me know if you need help setting it up. Then we climax the 1,000 lines of code with Break Bricks. Though I lost several times, this can be easy. The trick is to stay in the middle. Wait, did you see that? Replay, please. Nice. But I was saying the trick is to stay in the middle of the screen after hitting the ball. Trust me, I wrote the code so I know. Now I know y'all are itching for the 10,000 lines of code, the massive 200,000 lines of code, and the one line of code that is much better than both of them. So let's not waste time. Let's see what we can get when we have 10,000 lines of code. With 10,000 lines of code, you get a fully functional movie app. You get to see released movies, upcoming movies. When you press on a movie, you get more details about them. The plot, the budget, similar movies, and you even get to watch YouTube videos like their trailers. It has its web version as well. It has so many features, I don't think I will be able to fit it all in one video. Let me know if you want a review of the app or how I built it from scratch. Now to the ginormous 200,000 lines of code, let's run it. You get Tanks War. Let's have a look. Positioning my tank. Accelerating my power to 85.
Get ready for war!
Now shoot. That was bad. Oh, I got hit. Strategizing. Power to a 100. Little shift. Now fire. Oh, I got him. Got him right in the center. He misses badly. This game may not have picture quality, but they are very addictive. Being playing this since morning, his shots was not getting through. I missed a few, but I eventually got him. Credit of this source code goes to it, sourcecode.com. Link in the description below if you want to try the games or any of the codes you have seen here. Now you are possibly wondering how one line of code is much cooler than a 200,000 lines of code. Well, wonder no more. Let's see the one line of code. There you go. This is the one line of code. Well, I guess I should run it before y'all have my head. I am being asked to choose one. I choose two. Something is launching. Oh, pretty dramatic. And there you go. This one line of code launches Creed GPT, the alternative version to ChatGPT that I built, but way cooler. Maybe even better.
Wait, what did you just say?
Look at it. It says, ask me anything, and I will do it. And it will. It generates images, videos, and audios. Does ChatGPT do that? Does it?
No, it doesn't.
Let's log in and see it for yourself. Really cool. How can I help you today? Let's ask, who is Ariana? And we get Ariana is the most talented singer in the world. Well, if this does not confirm that it is better than ChatGPT, I don't know what will. Do you guys feel that? I think the mood calls for a cool song. There we go. How about the second best singer, Taylor Swift? Hey, nothing is really done unless we have a video to go with it. Let's see a bunny video. Forgive my poor internet connection, but there you go. You can decide for yourself which one is cooler, the 200,000 lines of code or the one line of code. You know where my answer lies, but I will leave that to you. Thoughts in the comment section, 1 or 200,000. Don't forget my challenges. It will be in the description section, just in case you need more details. If you want to build your own GPT, check out this video right here. I help you build it from scratch. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Share to friends and families. I am sure they want to play Tank War game as well. And please smash that subscribe button. It really means a lot. That is it for today. See you in the next video. You are gonna love it. Adios.